Good morning, children. I hope you all are pretty well at home. Home, stay safe. Okay, in today's session, I am going to teach you about muscles. So, as I take word muscle, one thing should come in your mind, that is movement. Because of the muscles, we are able to move. As you can see, I fold my hand. Okay, as I fold my elbow, my muscles contract and they become shorter. Okay, as I open it, then my muscles become longer. They are relaxed. So just because of the muscles, I am able to move my hand. Clear, children? You know, so many muscles are there in our body. We have just learned about the different parts of the skeleton. These muscles are attached with the different parts of our skeletons, and that's why we are able to move every part of our body. So what is muscle? Muscle is a special type of tissue that can expand and contract, just like an elastic, and that's why we are able to move. There are almost 600 muscles spreading all over our body. About half of the body weight is made up of muscles. It's a big mass, isn't it? Okay, children. So, if I will talk about the movement, just think about that you are playing football. Okay. So, as you think about this movement, you think about your legs, right? So, for the movement, the muscles which you are using, they are present in your thigh over here. Am I right? And a bone is present in the thigh, that is the longest bone of our body. Just remember the name of the longest bone of our body? Yes, you are right. That is femur. And these muscles which are present in our thigh, these muscles are attached with the femur, and that's why when we are playing football, we are able to move our leg. So which kind of muscles they are? Yes, you are right, because these muscles are attached with the bone. That's why they are called skeletal muscles. We are having lots of skeletal muscles. They are abundant in our body, maximum amount. Okay. Other than the skeletal muscle, some more muscles are there in our body. So, let's talk about the different types of muscles. So, we are having 3 types of muscles in our body. First is the skeletal muscles, second is the smooth muscles, and third is the cardiac muscles. As its name, as it works. Okay? So, we will start with the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are also called striated muscles or striped muscles. Why they are called as striped muscles? Because you have seen the stripes on zebra. Just like that, in their structure they are having stripes. So when I will show you the structure of skeletal muscles, I will show you that also. Voluntary muscles. They are also called voluntary muscles because these muscles are having voluntary type of actions. Means if I want to move my leg to play football, I will play. Otherwise I will not play. So it's my voluntary action. मेरी इच्छा होगी तो मैं करूंगी, नहीं तो मैं नहीं करूंगी. जिन actions के लिए मुझे खुद decisions लेने हैं, they comes into the category of voluntary muscles. And they are called skeletal muscles, striated muscles or striped muscles. Okay, children? Here you can see they are most abundant. They cover our skeleton and give our body a particular shape. Because they are covering the skeleton, so that's why they are giving us a particular shape. You know, when we are standing or when we are sitting, we are thinking like we are relaxed. But actually, at that time, our skeletal muscles are working hard. to give us a particular posture. Understood, children? These muscles are either directly or indirectly attached to the bones. As I've shown you over here, these are the skeletal muscles which are attached to the bones. Now remember ligaments and tendons. If this is the muscle and this is the bone, by which thing they will join each other? Yes, you are right. Tendons. So, it is possible that skeletal muscles are directly attached to the bones, or with the help of tendons they can attach to the bones. Now see the next thing, that they maintain the posture that I have explained. So you can identify them easily because at every place they are present. So on the body surface, wherever you are seeing or feeling your muscles, these are present. So muscles which usually seen on the body are the skeletal muscles. I am repeating, as these muscles are attached to the bones, that's why they are named as a skeletal muscles. Now I will draw its structure on the board so you will understand. So look children, here I am drawing the structure of skeletal muscle. You can see I am making a giant cell over here, right? And I am making dots over here. What are they? These muscles are actually not branched. It's a single big muscle. And they are having stripes on it like this, like zebra is having. And that's why the skeletal muscles, they are called striated muscles or striped muscles, because of the presence of these stripes. And you can see these are the nucleus, and these nucleus are present at the marginal side. They are not present in the middle. So as we will see the skeletal muscles, we will see the number of nuclei is present on it and the stripes are present on it, and we identify them easily. Now, other than skeletal muscles, two more muscles are present in our body, that are smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Now, why these smooth muscles are called smooth muscles? Reason behind, the smooth muscles doesn't have any stripes on its surface. They looks like an eye, just like this. And you can see it is spindle shaped. Okay, you can see these margins, right? So here they have one nuclei and that is not in the middle also. So they looks very different from the striated muscles, isn't it? And that's why, because the stripes are not present on its surface, they are called smooth muscles. Now we come to the cardiac muscles. Okay. So, yeah, one thing more about the smooth muscles, that smooth muscles are involuntary in action. Why they are involuntary in action? Because they are not under our control. You think about any hollow organ of our body, just like blood vessels. Yes, you can see the blood vessels, because blood flows from them, so they are hollow inside. So whatever hollow organ is present in our body, on its walls, all the muscles which are present, they are smooth muscles. Okay? And because its functions we cannot control, that's why it comes into the category of involuntary action. Just think about your stomach. Your stomach's lining, stomach is hollow and its lining is having smooth kind of muscles. And they are involuntary. Like smooth muscles present in the stomach, they help the stomach to move the food forward. Right? And in blood vessels, the blood flows forward just because of the action of these smooth muscles. And because its action is not in our control, so it is quite slow in action. And the skeletal muscle because its action is under our control, so they are much faster. Okay, children? Now we will see the third kind of muscles that are called cardiac muscles. इसका तो नाम ही बता रहा है कि ये कहाँ पर है. Cardiac stands for heart. Okay? So, in our heart, the muscles, special kind of muscles which are present, they are called cardiac muscles. Okay, children? There is a similarity between the cardiac muscles and the skeletal muscle. What is that similarity? That cardiac muscle and skeletal muscle both are striped or striated. So how can we identify the cardiac muscles? See, you can see its structure. They are quite branched. So just because of the presence of this branched structure, we identify the cardiac muscle. They are only and only present in our heart only. Okay? Nowhere else you can find these cardiac muscles. And you can find these two nucleus which are quite present in the middle. They can have either one or two nucleus, but they are branched. So by its structure, we can identify them easily. And you know that cardiac muscles are working for the whole life without getting tired. The muscles of heart keeps on working 24 hours for our lifetime, and that's why the cardiac muscles are very very strong. You know, अगर हमारा heart, हमारी cardiac muscles 1 minute के लिए भी रुक जाएंगी, then our heart stops working. If it will stop working, then we will die. So they work for the whole life tirelessly. Fine, children? And they are also stripes. The stripes are present on them. That's why they are also striated or striped in nature. Okay? So I will just take a quick recap of this. We are having 3 types of muscles in our body: skeletal, smooth and cardiac. Skeletal muscle is a giant muscle with many nuclei, and it is not branched. It is straight. Okay? They are voluntary in action, whose control is in our will. If I want to work, I will do, otherwise I will not. So these kind of muscles will be present in our hands and legs. Okay? Second is smooth muscles. They are involuntary in action and they doesn't have any stripes on its surface. That's why they are called smooth muscle. They are involuntary. We cannot control these kind of muscles. They are actually present by our brain and spinal cord. And where they are present? They control the movement of heartbeat, movement of food and movement of breathing and all. Clear, children? Third type of muscles are cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are also involuntary in action because we cannot control the functioning of heart. They are branched and they are having 1 or 2 nuclei. They are having stripes on its surface, so they are also striated in nature. So I think, children, you understood all these muscles very well. Thank you. Bye-bye.